My name's Ethan.
My name's Wyatt. And my name's Dean.
We're the Battleship Crushers, and this is our robot.
And this is your robot here. So I see you got a pretty cool tool here. Can you tell me what Craig contributed to this tool?
Craig contributed a popsicle stick from the junk house.
Nice. And can you tell me what Kelsey contributed to this tool? Kelsey is Dean?
Kelsey traded a pink ping pong ball for giant duct tape.
For giant duct tape. Okay. And what did the Junk Lord contribute?
Paper.
Paper? Okay. Okay, well let's see your contraption. Let's see if it works. Go ahead and run your program. Nice! Nice job, guys!